50 untapped small-town video ideas that could make you rich in 2025. Scene 2, host introduction. Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to Kingdom Cash, where we turn everyday opportunities into extraordinary income streams. Today, I'm revealing the gold mine that small towns represent for smart content creators. These aren't just video ideas, these are profit machines that most creators are completely overlooking. If you're tired of competing in oversaturated markets and ready to discover untapped niches with massive earning potential, this video is about to change your life. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs just like you build 6- and 7-figure businesses from scratch, and today I'm sharing the exact formula for success in small-town content creation. Let's dive into these 50 game-changing small-town video ideas that could transform your financial future. Secret menu food tours. Potential profit $3,000 to $8,000 per month. Every small town has those hidden food gems with unofficial menu items that locals rave about. Create a series visiting small-town diners, cafes, and food trucks to uncover these secret menu items that most visitors never discover. Monetization comes from YouTube ad revenue from high-retention viewers, sponsorships from local restaurants eager to be featured, digital guidebooks you can sell featuring all secret menu items, and food tour consultation services for other content creators. What makes this unique is the focus on items not on the regular menu. You're not just another food reviewer, you're revealing authentic local secrets that viewers can't find elsewhere. Small-town real estate flipping documentaries. Potential profit $8,000 to $15,000 per month. Document the process of buying undervalued properties in small towns, renovating them with local themes and materials, and either selling or turning them into unique short-term rentals. This series combines educational content on finding undervalued properties, DIY renovation techniques using local resources, business strategy for maximizing return on investment, and connections with local craftspeople and contractors. The profit comes from multiple streams: YouTube ad revenue, affiliate commissions from tools and materials, consultation fees for viewers wanting to do the same, potential income from the actual property investments, and sponsored content from renovation brands looking to reach rural markets. The uniqueness lies in focusing exclusively on small towns where property is affordable and competition is low, making this accessible to average viewers, unlike big city real estate content. Lost Arts Apprenticeship Series. Potential profit $5,000 to $12,000 per month. Small towns are treasure troves of traditional crafts and skills that are becoming rare. Blacksmithing, hand-woven textiles, timber framing, leatherworking, etc. Create a series where you apprentice with these masters for a week each, learning the basics of their craft. The series creates multiple revenue streams, higher than average YouTube ad rates due to the educational nature, sponsorships from tools and materials companies, digital instructional courses created with the craftspeople, membership platform access to extended lessons, and craft kits curated with the masters, huge profit margins. This concept works because it's preserving valuable knowledge while creating genuine connections with fascinating characters, all while building a business that supports traditional craftspeople. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Number 4, small-town business makeovers. Potential profit $10,000 to $20,000 per month. Identify struggling small-town businesses and document the process of helping them modernize their marketing, operations, and business models. This combines business education with heartwarming transformation stories. Revenue opportunities include sponsored partnerships with business service providers, consulting fees from other small businesses, business transformation courses and templates, speaking engagements at small business events, and branded merchandise featuring transformed businesses. The unique angle is focusing specifically on businesses in towns under 10,000 population, where digital marketing knowledge is often decades behind but potential for growth is massive with the right guidance. Number 5, Hidden Historical Mysteries Series. Potential profit $4,000 to $9,000 per month. Every small town has fascinating historical stories and mysteries that remain unexplored. Create investigative videos that uncover these stories through interviews with local historians, searching through archives and exploring historical sites. Monetization methods include premium YouTube ad rates for educational content, sponsored partnerships with ancestry and historical research tools, a membership site with extended research and documentation, downloadable guides to researching small-town histories, and custom historical research services for viewers. The unique approach is focusing on stories that have never made it to mainstream history books, but have incredible local significance, giving viewers content they literally cannot find anywhere else. Small-town talent spotlights. Potential profit $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Small towns are filled with incredible undiscovered talent. Create a series showcasing musicians, artists, performers, and craftspeople who haven't had broader exposure. Help them create digital presences and potentially connect them with larger opportunities. Revenue streams include ad revenue from high engagement content, talent management percentage, 10 to 15%, from opportunities you broker, digital showcase platform subscription fees, sponsored content from brands looking to support local talent, and live event productions featuring discovered talent. The uniqueness comes from focusing on genuinely talented individuals who simply lack exposure due to geographical limitations, not lack of skill, creating heartwarming content with real impact. Small Town Big Flavor Cookbook Series. Potential profit $7,000 to $15,000 per month. Document family recipes from small-town restaurants that have been in business for generations. Create videos showing the authentic preparation methods alongside the family stories behind these recipes. Monetization opportunities include physical and digital cookbooks with high profit margins, cooking supply affiliate partnerships, subscription spice boxes featuring local ingredients, cooking class partnerships with featured restaurants, and food tourism guide services. What makes this unique is focusing on recipes that aren't written down but pass through generations, preserving culinary heritage while creating monetizable content. Small Town Innovation Spotlights. Potential profit $6,000 to $12,000 per month. Contrary to popular belief, incredible innovation happens in small towns, often out of necessity. Create a series highlighting small-town inventors, problem solvers, and ingenious solutions that arise in resource-limited environments. Revenue sources include higher ad rates for tech and innovation content, product development consulting fees, patent application assistance services, innovation showcase events, and investor connection services with commission. The uniqueness is shifting the innovation spotlight away from Silicon Valley to show how resource constraints actually foster more practical and accessible innovations in small-town America. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too.